So in this video, we created important legal pages, replaced the dummy footer menu, customized footer widgets like logo, text, and social icons. Hi there, today we are going to talk about something really simple but important: how to customize your website footer area, remove dummy content, and add your own pages. So let's get started. So first we need to create some basic legal pages for our website like disclaimer, refund policy, terms and condition, and privacy policy. These pages build trust with your visitors. First of all, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to pages and click add new and start creating them one by one. For example, I am going to create the disclaimer and the refund policy page right now. Now let's move the footer area of your website. We will be replacing the dummy pages and content with our real pages. So go to appearance and click on menus. At the top you will see a drop down menu, select footer menu. You will see some old dummy pages here that came with the theme. Let's remove all. Now from the left side, select your newly created pages like terms and condition, disclaimer, and privacy policy. Click add to menu, arrange them if you want, and click save menu. Your footer menu is right now updated with your real pages. If you see other menu like a sports menu, just repeat the same process. Select the sports menu from the drop down. Add pages like about us and contact us and hit save. Then visit your website and refresh the page to see the changes. Now let's update the content in the footer, things like the form, logo, and social media links. So go to appearance and click on widgets. Now find the footer area where we will make our changes. Let's say we are using the Woostify theme. You will see these sections where you can add your website name. Click on the text widget to add a catchy line about your website. Click on social icon widget to add your Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube links. To remove a social icon, click on it and go to the three dots at the top and select delete. To add a new one, click the plus icon, select the social platform and add it. If there is a newsletter form and you don't want it, no worries, just delete the newsletter widget. Now click plus icon, search for image, upload your website logo, resize it as needed, and then click save. Go back to your website, hit refresh, and boom, you will see your new footer with real content, logo, and social links.